The U.S. Virgin Islands are more than rum and reefs. They're shipwrecks glinting with gold, ancient forests and tides that paint the sea with stars. Today we'll slip past the cruise crowds to uncover America's Caribbean secrets, where Quell Bay steel drums mingle with the hush of ocean waves and the call of a conch shell. Here, history lingers in ruins. Every path through Emerald Hills promises a new story, and the sea glimmers with mystery. Let's leave the ordinary behind and step into a realm shaped by explorers, dreamers, and wild nature. If you crave lost legends, wild landscapes, or the thrill of discovery, these islands are ready to reveal their best-kept secrets. On St. John, where the Caribbean sun kisses the land, lies a gem known as Waterlemon Cay. Waterlemon Cay is where land and sea converge, whisper their oldest tales, stories etched in the sand and carried on the gentle breeze. It's a place where the natural world unfolds in breathtaking beauty. Turquoise waters cradle a cay shaped by time, a small island paradise sculpted by the elements over millennia. The water is so clear it invites you to dive in and explore, and beneath the surface, coral gardens burst with color, a kaleidoscope of life teeming in every nook and cranny. Parrotfish dart, flashes of vibrant blue and green against the coral. Sea turtles glide, ancient mariners gracefully navigating their underwater realm. They are a sight to behold, symbols of the Caribbean's enduring spirit, glide over ancient brain corals, their massive forms a testament to the slow, steady work of nature, their patterns like the ocean's fingerprints, each groove and ridge telling a story of survival and adaptation. And watch sea fans sway, gently dancing in the currents. In a dreamy underwater dance, a mesmerizing ballet performed for those lucky enough to witness it. Just inland, the Annaberg sugar plantation ruins stand as a reminder of a bygone era. Rise from the hillside, overlooking the very waters that once carried sugar to distant lands. Silent witnesses to centuries of change, these weathered stones whisper tales of labor, resilience, and transformation. Wander the trails, and let the island's natural beauty envelop you. And you might catch the scent of wild herbs, the fragrant aroma of the Caribbean's unique flora, or spot a local farmer tending goats among the stones, a timeless scene that connects the past with the present. Follow the rocky shoreline to the Witch's Pool, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. A tidal basin swirling with island legends and wild beauty, a place where the spirit of the island feels especially potent. As the sun dips low, Waterlemon Cay transforms. The light shifts, painting the landscape in hues of gold and crimson. The sky blazes, the cay's silhouette sharpens, creating a dramatic and unforgettable vista, and the moment invites reflection, a chance to pause and appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. At night, the water glows with bioluminescent plankton, a magical spectacle that illuminates the darkness. Dip your hand in and watch the sea sparkle to life, a living constellation beneath your fingertips. On shore, you might stumble upon a Danish coin, a tangible link to the island's colonial past. A relic from when these islands were under Danish rule. A reminder of the diverse cultures that have shaped this land. We're crossroads of empires, a strategic location that attracted traders and explorers from around the globe. Freedivers trace the roots of old shipwrecks, seeking glimpses into the past beneath the waves, imagining gold-laden galleons meeting their fate on these reefs, lost treasures waiting to be rediscovered. Waterlemon Cay is a living archive of nature, history, and legend, a place where the stories of the past intertwine with the beauty of the present. A place where every visitor leaves with a story, a memory etched in their heart forever. Whether you come for snorkeling to explore the vibrant underwater world, ruins to delve into the island's rich history, or a bioluminescent night to witness the magic of the glowing sea, you'll find yourself changed by the experience, touched by the beauty and wonder of Waterlemon Cay. The past and present are never far apart here. They exist side by side, enriching the experience for every visitor. Every new find adds another layer to the story, deepening our understanding of this special place, connecting us to generations of explorers, dreamers, and adventurers who have been drawn to these shores. The adventure is far from over. The mysteries of Waterlemon Cay continue to beckon. Waterlemon Cay's secrets are waiting to be discovered by those who seek them.
Traveling the world? Don't let dead batteries slow you down. Meet the Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter Kit, your ultimate power solution for any destination. Charge multiple devices simultaneously with 2 USB ports, a USB-C, and 2 US outlets. Quick Charge 3.0 quickly powers your phone, and built-in surge protection keeps devices safe. Thanks to included adapters, it works in Europe, the UK, Australia, Japan, and more. Plug in your laptop and phone at the same time. No more waiting in your hotel room. Ultra lightweight, travel pouch included, and ETL safety tested. Perfect for phones, laptops, and cameras. Grab yours now and stay powered wherever you go. Want to learn more? Click the link below to get your Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter now. It's perfect for phones, laptops, and cameras. Click link below.
Across the sea, Virgin Gorda rises, crowned by the baths, house-sized granite boulders forming a labyrinth of hidden caves and sunlit pools. Scientists say these boulders are volcanic remnants, but standing among them it's easy to believe the old tales of giants at play. Crawl through rock tunnels to secret grottos, where sunlight pierces the darkness and crystal-clear pools shimmer. At Devil's Bay, the boulders open onto powdery sand and turquoise sea, a paradise framed by stone. Pirates once favored these shores, hiding treasure and plotting in the maze of rocks. Old maps show pirate routes, and weathered stones bear witness to centuries of shipwrecks and secret landings. As the sun sets, the granite glows gold and amber, and the artistry of time is on full display. Couples share quiet moments in hidden alcoves, and some mark life's milestones beneath the endless sky. After dark, the sea shimmers with moonlight, and the rocks take on a mysterious glow. The baths blur the line between legend and reality. Every shadow hints at a new secret. Virgin Gorda's baths are more than a destination. They're a journey through time, stone, and sea. Whether you seek adventure, history, or wonder, you'll leave with awe and a longing to return. The Caribbean's hidden caves are waiting to share their stories. Imagine gliding through the tranquil waters of Salt River Bay after the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with its final fiery hues. With each stroke of your paddle, you're not just propelling yourself forward, you're sending ripples of electric blue light dancing across the inky black water. It's like painting with light. In St. Croix, the night transforms into a spectacle of nature as bioluminescent organisms awaken and begin their ethereal dance. Every stroke of your paddle stirs up millions of these tiny dinoflagellates, the microscopic artists behind this breathtaking display. They respond to the disturbance by illuminating the bay in bursts of neon blue, creating an underwater light show that's simply mesmerizing. This rare natural phenomenon, a symphony of light and water, leaves even the most seasoned travelers awestruck, sparking a sense of childlike wonder. But Salt River Bay is more than just a visual marvel. It's a place steeped in history, a crossroads of cultures and time. Centuries before Columbus set foot on these shores, the Taino people, the original inhabitants of the island, paddled these very waters, guided by the stars and the gentle glow of the moonlight. Their legacy remains etched in time, with ancient petroglyphs carved into the rocks, serving as silent witnesses to the passage of countless generations. Today, the bay stands as a living museum, carefully protected as a national historical park and a vital ecological preserve, safeguarding its rich history and biodiversity. Archaeologists continue to explore its depths, unearthing fascinating artifacts, including Zimi idols, sacred objects that were believed to house the spirits of Taino gods, offering a glimpse into their spiritual beliefs and practices. The dense and intricate mangrove forests that fringe the bay provide shelter for a diverse array of wildlife, including herons, pelicans, and countless juvenile fish, creating a vibrant ecosystem. As dusk settles, the air fills with the sounds of nature, as frogs and insects create a captivating twilight soundtrack, a symphony of the Caribbean night. The magic of bioluminescence is a delicate dance with nature, best witnessed on the darkest, moonless nights, when the faintest glow can be seen. It serves as a constant reminder of just how fragile and interconnected these ecosystems are, and the importance of protecting them for future generations. Kayaking through these waters is more than just an activity. It's a privilege, a chance to connect with nature on a profound level. It's an opportunity to witness nature's artistry in its purest and most captivating form, a spectacle that will stay with you long after you've left. No two nights are ever quite the same. The intensity of the bioluminescence varies, creating a unique experience each and every time. Sometimes the glow is subtle and ethereal, while other times it's so bright and intense that you can see your hand perfectly outlined in a vibrant, otherworldly light. Whether you're a history buff eager to explore the past, a nature lover seeking to connect with the environment, or simply someone seeking a moment of pure wonder, Salt River Bay is sure to deliver an unforgettable experience. Once you've witnessed its luminous beauty, felt the magic of the bioluminescence beneath your fingertips, you'll carry a piece of that magic with you, a memory that will continue to glow long after you've returned home. Just a short ferry ride from the bustling port of Charlotte-Amalie, a world away awaits. Lies Hassel Island, a place where the hands of time seem to slow, inviting you to step back into history. It's an island steeped in stories, whispering tales of bygone eras. Our journey begins among the silent ruins of Fort Willoughby, a sentinel of stone overlooking the sea. The fort, once a strategic outpost, guarding vital trade routes and colonial interests, now sits in quiet ruin, its stone walls draped in vines and moss, a testament to nature's patient embrace. The elements have softened its edges, blurring the lines between the man-made and the natural world. The ramparts and battlements invite exploration, beckoning you to wander through history. Imagine the soldiers who once stood watch here, their eyes scanning the horizon, each stone telling a story of conflict and resilience, whispering secrets of battles fought and lives lived. Feel the weight of history beneath your fingertips as you trace the weathered surfaces. Along the shoreline, the Croix Marine Railway, a relic of innovation, once a marvel of engineering, still stands, a skeleton of its former glory. Rusting gears and weathered tracks speak volumes about the ingenuity of the past, hinting at a time when ships from around the world came for repairs, seeking refuge and restoration in this remote corner of the Caribbean. It was a hub of maritime activity, a vital link in the global trade network. Adventurers are drawn to the Pirate's Well, its depths shrouded in mystery, rumored to have hidden buccaneer treasures and secret tunnels, igniting the imagination with tales of swashbuckling pirates and hidden riches. Could there still be lost gold waiting to be found? Historians and archaeologists continue to uncover new chapters, piecing together the puzzle of Hassel Island's past. Fragile letters and artifacts, remnants of lives lived long ago, reveal the hopes and hardships of those who called the island home, offering glimpses into their daily lives and struggles. These tangible connections to the past bring history to life. From the crumbling fortifications, standing as silent witnesses to history, panoramic views of the harbor stretch out, just as they did for soldiers centuries ago, a constant reminder of the island's strategic importance. The same breathtaking vista that greeted them now welcomes you. Nature is reclaiming Hassel Island, slowly but surely. Wildflowers bloom in stone cracks, lizards dart through sun-dappled clearings, a vibrant tapestry of life woven into the fabric of the ruins. The island teems with life, a testament to its enduring spirit. The island's quiet beauty contrasts its turbulent history, a serene escape from the modern world, offering a peaceful retreat for those willing to explore its hidden corners and unravel its mysteries. Every corner holds a story, every ruin a secret waiting to be discovered, inviting you to become a part of its ongoing narrative. Even in places long forgotten, the echoes of the past linger on, carried on the gentle breeze and whispered through the rustling leaves. If you're on St. Thomas, cross the water and wander the lost fortress of Hassel Island, a journey through time and nature. You'll leave with a deeper appreciation for the island's resilience, its enduring spirit in the face of adversity, and the stories hidden just beneath the surface, waiting to be unearthed and shared with the world. On St. John, Lameshur Bay is a haven for serenity and underwater wonders. The bay's calm, crystal-clear waters invite you to slow down and soak in nature's beauty. Beneath the surface, the Starfish Highway appears. Dozens of vibrant red cushioned sea stars dot the sandy bottom, delighting snorkelers. For land explorers, the Tektite Trail offers sweeping views and traces of the 1960s underwater habitat project that brought NASA engineers here. Today, volunteers with Reef Rescue restore coral reefs, attaching fragments to new structures and protecting these fragile ecosystems. Snorkeling here is a gentle reminder to tread lightly. Admire starfish without touching, ensuring their sanctuary remains undisturbed. The bay's peaceful atmosphere is perfect for quiet reflection, whether floating in the water or sitting on the shore. Sunlight and shadow create a mesmerizing dance, inviting you to lose yourself in the moment. Lameshur Bay's Starfish Sanctuary is a symbol of hope and resilience in a changing world. By protecting these ecosystems, we ensure future generations can experience their magic. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newcomer, Lameshur Bay welcomes you with open arms. Come for the starfish, stay for the peace that lingers long after you leave. Here, the wonders of the natural world reveal themselves in unexpected ways. Now that you've journeyed through glowing bays, ancient ruins, and starfish sanctuaries, it's your turn to choose your adventure. Comment below, wreck diver or starfish saver, which Virgin Island calls you? Share your discoveries or dream destinations. If you enjoyed this journey, like and subscribe to Go Globetrotters Travel. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing the world's most incredible places. Stay tuned for the next episode in our Top 5 Must-Visit Destinations series. There's always another adventure just around the corner.